Once again, good morning everyone. This is Vardhan. You are watching with Veda Vardhan. This is 9th January 2026, a truly memorable day as we celebrated my friend Srinath's birthday. A very happy birthday, Srinath. The day started with exciting note at our college. We got wonderful opportunity to have a virtual tour of Lays and KitKat manufacturing unit, which was a great learning experience. Later, we all enjoyed watching the trailer of rebel star Prabhas' upcoming movie Raja Saab. And of course, the vibe was full on festival. Pandaga Pandaga Prabhas, Pandaga 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 Raja Saab, Pandaga 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 Sankranti Pandaga. The classes end early today at 11 am due to class cancellations. As per our plan, we started our journey from college to CMR to celebrate Srinath's birthday. After enjoying a good lunch at CMR, we headed towards Beach Road. We planned to visit Submarine Museum, where our birthday boy Srinath explained the functions of submarine, which was very interesting and informative. Next came on to my favorite hobby, test driving cars. This time I visited the Citroën dealership to experience their world-class suspension and turbo petrol. I finally got the opportunity to drive the Citroën C3 Aircross. The handling was excellent and steering was smooth, and the comfort was truly world-class. A really satisfied experience. Later, we cut the cake and enjoy some tasty starters together. To end this beautiful day on a positive note, we visited Sampath Vinayaka Temple and prayed for blessings. Overall, it was perfect day filled with learning, fun, celebrations and gratitude.